Meet the lyrebird, nature's ultimate sound pirate. This Australian legend doesn't just sing, it steals noises. Car alarms? Chainsaws? Camera shutters? This bird's vocal cords can copy them all. Scientists say they've even mimicked human speech in the wild. Talk about a feathered DJ. But wait, check out their ridiculous tail. Males fan these silky plumes during mating season, creating a living heart shape while performing their greatest hits. It's like a Broadway show crossed with a heavy metal concert. Females apparently dig the combo, or maybe they're just impressed by the multitasking. Here's the kicker, lyrebirds use their mimicry as survival tech. When threatened, they'll blast a chaotic mix of predator calls and forest noises to confuse enemies. Imagine getting punked by a bird doing a fox bark, koala grunt, and leaf rustle remix. Evolution's weirdest backup singers? Absolutely. Boring? Never. Nature's ultimate impersonator just dropped the mic.